Here are 12 leading early-stage investors in Korea, who have shared their 2023 results. D. Camped in 2023, it invested 5.7 billion Korean won in 44 early-stage companies, adding to its previous direct investments of 27.5 billion Korean won in 209 companies since 2015. It indirectly invested 14 billion Korean won in global funds last year. Mashup Ventures actively focused on AI and SaaS companies. It made 16 investments in 2023, bringing its total portfolio to 168 startups with a combined enterprise value of KRW 11 trillion and 2 unicorn successes. Korea Investment Accelerator invested 10.2 billion Korean won in 38 companies, 31 new last year, with a cumulative portfolio of 73 companies and 18.3 billion Korean won invested. Korea Social Investment, a non-profit impact investor, Korea Social Investment invested KRW 2.7 billion across 15 companies in 2023. Its cumulative impact investments investments, or grants reached 64.5 billion Korean won across 484 companies. FuturePlay is an accelerator that made 25 investments in 2023, primarily focusing on deep tech startups. With a total of 233 invested companies, FuturePlay raised 70.1 billion Korean won through 3 funds in 2023, reaching an AUM of 215 billion Korean won. The Invention Lab, an early-stage investor, the Invention Lab invested KRW 8.3 billion in 37 early-stage startups last year, with a cumulative portfolio exceeding KRW 30 billion and 154 companies. MYSC is an impact accelerator that invested a total of KRW 13 billion across 45 companies in 2023, with the environment energy sector receiving the most investments. Its portfolio now exceeds 160 companies, and it formed new investment funds worth 14.5 billion Korean won. Bluepoint Partner last year, it invested KRW 18 billion in 56 startups, with industrial technology being the most prominent sector. The total number of invested companies has reached 331. Operating its own batch program, it introduced a new investment direction in 2023, with a focus on investment as a service and demographic product market fit. Base Investment is an early-stage venture capital firm that invested KRW 30 billion in 31 companies in 2023. Over half of its investments are in the seed stage, with 2 successful exits beyond music and VivaWave. Series Ventures invested 5.4 billion Korean won in 18 companies in 2023, surpassing 50 cumulative investments. In 2023, the accelerator established 3 new funds in the region, focusing on early-stage investments. The Ventures in 2023, the firm invested 7.7 billion Korean won in 50 companies, bringing its cumulative portfolio to 259 companies. Starting in 2023, the Ventures will also invest in local Southeast Asian startups through a separate Vietnam fund. CNT Tech in 2023, it executed investments worth 12 billion Korean won in 78 companies, recording a total of 370 invested companies. It invests in 16 sectors including food tech, SaaS, deep tech manufacturing, etc.